YouTube and TikTok automation are some of the best ways to make passive income in 2024. The reason for that is, this is the only business that you can start with less than $30. And you can do it from anywhere, especially with the rapid development of new AI tools. You don't need to show your face. There are a lot of faceless niches that are going viral. The crazy thing is that creating videos for these niches is very easy with the power of AI. There are a lot of video generating AI tools available now. I found another new AI tool that you can use to create videos for any faceless niche. So in this video, I'm gonna try this tool and see how we can use this to generate content for YouTube and TikTok. And also, I'm gonna reveal 3 trending niches that you can try with this tool as well. The AI tool I'm gonna reveal and review today is called VidWiz. It's an AI tool that you can use to create unique videos for any niche. With this AI tool, you can fully automate the content creation process. Once you create a video series, this tool will automatically upload the videos to your TikTok or YouTube channel. The first niche I'm gonna try today is self-improvement story niche. This is an example channel for this niche. This channel only posts short-form content. As you can see here, this channel was created 6 months ago, and they have been able to get 688,000 subscribers with only 85 videos within 6 months. And that's why this niche is going to be one of the best niches for both YouTube and TikTok. Once you sign up, you will come to this page. As you can see here, there are pre-made prompts for several niches such as horror stories, scientific facts, and more niches. For this niche, you can either select this daily motivation template, or you can use your own prompt. I have created this specific prompt for that. I'm gonna use it. I will leave this prompt in the comment section. After that, click this advanced setting option. Now here you can connect your TikTok account. Just sign up to your account, and this tool will automatically upload the videos to it. Then, if you have any media such as video clips and images, you can upload those here, and this tool will use those to make the video. This is going to be a short video, therefore I'm gonna select this 9:16 aspect ratio. Then, we need to select a suitable AI voice from these. You can check these voices and select a good voice for this niche. I'm gonna go with this famous voice, Adam. Now here you can decide the duration of the video. You can make up to videos with 10-minute duration. Since we are creating short videos, I'm gonna limit the duration of this video to 1 minute. Then click this save and continue option. Now, our video has been completed. As you can see here, this video has a duration of 1 minute, which is great. You can use this for both TikTok and YouTube. We have our title, description, and the whole script here. Now, if you scroll down, you will be able to see this timeline of the video. Here, you can change the AI artworks if you don't like the current ones. And also, you can edit the background music and sound effects from here. Now, let's see the final output.
In a forgotten village at the edge of a dense forest lived a wise old woman named Ilara. One day, the villagers were troubled by an unending drought. Their crops withered under the relentless sun. Desperate, they approached Ilara for guidance. With a knowing smile, she handed them a single seed, saying, "Plant this where no one dares to." Confused, yet trusting, they ventured deep into the forest, planting the seed in what seemed like barren land. Days turned to weeks, but one morning, to their amazement, a vibrant tree flourished where hope was lost before. Therefore, its roots found an underground spring. Hence, the villagers realized growth often happens in the most unexpected places. So, in the same vein, search for opportunities where others see none, and you'll cultivate a life beyond imagination.
This looks perfect for TikTok. Now let's move on to the next best niche for TikTok. I'm gonna call this niche urban horror niche. This TikTok page is one of the best examples in this niche. They have managed to get 122,000 followers with 1.2 million likes within a very short period of time. And as you can see here, all these videos are AI generated. Basically, this niche is about true and made-up horror stories. Most of the time, these stories are just fiction, but sometimes we can create stories about urban myths and horror stories as well. You can use VidWiz AI to generate videos for this niche as well. All you need is one good prompt. You can use this ghost story template to create stories for this niche. However, I have created this specific prompt for that, so I'm gonna copy it here, and let's click this advanced setting option. You can connect your TikTok account here just like we did before. And for this video, I'm gonna be using a female voice, so let's select this one. Since this video is for both YouTube and TikTok, let's select the 1 minute duration, and let's generate the video. I think we need to make a few changes to this video. I'm gonna regenerate some images. As an example, I don't think this boy is suitable for this place. Therefore, I'm gonna change it. Click this edit icon, and you will be able to see the image generating prompt that this AI has used. I'm gonna edit it like this to add grown man, and click this regenerate button. Okay, this is perfect. Now let's apply this to the video. And just like this, you can edit the images that you don't like. After that, click this save button, and let's see the final video.
Did you know there's a forest no one dares to enter? That's right, because at night, the trees whisper secrets so chilling, they rattle your bones. You won't believe what happened when Tim, a courageous young adventurer, decided to explore the mysterious whispering forest. Tim heard tales of an old legend about a hidden treasure buried deep within this eerie place, guarded by a spirit only awakened by footsteps. As he braved the creeping fog, strange sounds surrounded him, but shrieked louder the deeper he went. But then, the whispering abruptly stopped. Tim stumbled upon an ancient stone, covered in cryptic carvings glowing faintly in the moonlight. Suddenly, a ghostly figure appeared, its eyes like candle flames. Heart racing, Tim had to decide: run or uncover the truth behind the whispering curse. So, what happened next? Tim revealed the secret buried for centuries, leaving you to wonder if courage truly conquers fear.
Okay, great. Now, let's move on to the final niche. The third best niche for TikTok is dark motivation. The best example channel for that is this one. This one has more than 674,000 followers, and all of their videos are about dark motivation. I already have created a full video about this niche on my channel. Use the above link to check that video. Today, I'm going to use the VidWiz AI tool to create videos for this niche. I have created this specific prompt to generate videos for this niche. You can just copy it from the comment section of this video. I'm not going to show the whole process because you already know how to operate this AI, but make sure to use a deep voice for this niche. And yeah, let's see this example as well.
What if everything you were told about villains is wrong? Ethan was an ordinary boy, absorbed in the shadows of his forgotten town. People called him invisible, until the day he realized that darkness was not only a refuge, but a tool. As whispers of power lured him deeper, Ethan started seeing betrayal not as a setback, but a necessary path. He watched as lies burned bridges, forging stronger pathways in their ashes. Every snide remark, every disdainful look from his peers became fuel, igniting a flame of ambition within. Isolation was not his curse, it was his liberation, allowing him to hone his energy towards crafting a dominion of his own. With each step forward, Ethan discovered that true strength lies in embracing one's shadows, not fearing them. From society's reject, he transforms into a force they could no longer ignore. The emergence of a villain is just the beginning of a legacy.
This looks perfect. If you want to have a video with a different style than anime, change the part in the prompt where I mentioned making this video in anime style. So guys, this tool has 3 plans, and the starter plan is just $7, and it's really affordable. And I would like to thank VidWiz AI for giving a 30% discount to my viewers. Use the link in the description, and use this promo code to get 30% discount. With that, today's video has come to an end. I will see you guys in the next video.